We are one of the leading system integrators in India, and we deliver end-to-end standard and customized industrial solutions for robotic applications. And these applications are tailored as per the modern industrial needs of the industry.
We would love to encourage IRTI for their courageous activities in the Indian automation industry and enhance the automation for the general industry.
With IRTI, we are aiming to achieve our tailor-made solution for AGV, AMRs and cobot, as well as the transportation and intra-logistics for industry.
These solutions today we are showcasing in partnership with IRTI. As far as Pilz is concerned, we are offering a complete safety solutions for all the industries.
For our technology, we need to work with companies with a very high appetite for challenging projects, and IRTI has it.
We are associated with IRTI from last year. We provide them assembly tools for their assembly requirements.